You push yourself up from the sofa. Your legs wobble, and you stand still, waiting for them to feel solid again. And for just a second, one thought crosses your mind. What if I can't do this on my own anymore? After 60, your legs lose muscle faster than any other part of your body. Doctors call it sarcopenia, but you don't need a medical term. You already feel it. The good news? 5 simple foods can help rebuild that strength. And the #1 food on this list is a leafy green most people completely ignore.
Before we dive in, drop your age and your city in the comments. I'd love to know where you're watching from today. In this video, we'll count down 5 foods that support your leg muscles. Each one targets a different piece of the puzzle. Some prevent cramps, some rebuild muscle overnight, others protect bones and fight inflammation. What you eat matters just as much as how you move. Let's start with number 5. You're walking through the grocery store. Halfway down the aisle, your calf locks up. You stop, wait, and hope nobody notices. That sudden tightness often means your muscles are running low on potassium and magnesium. Beet greens, the leafy tops most people throw away, are loaded with both. One cooked cup provides approximately 1,309 milligrams of potassium. That's roughly 28% of your daily needs from one simple serving. That same cup contains about 98 milligrams of magnesium, covering 23 to 30% of what older adults need daily. That means one side dish helps your muscles both contract and relax properly. Beet greens also deliver over 400% of the daily value for vitamin K. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked vitamin K intake to better bone density in seniors. In plain terms, stronger bones under stronger muscles. They also provide about 2.7 milligrams of iron per cup. That helps carry oxygen to tired legs. Sauté with olive oil and garlic. Done. It's 2 in the morning. A cramp grabs your calf so hard it wakes you up. You sit on the edge of the bed, rubbing your leg, waiting for it to release. That kind of cramp often points to one thing. Your body needs more magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are one of nature's richest sources. Just 1 ounce, a small handful, contains about 156 milligrams of magnesium. That's 37 to 49% of your daily need in a single snack. That same handful delivers roughly 8.5 grams of protein. That's enough to help repair muscle fibers that wear down each day. You also get about 2.5 milligrams of zinc. Research in Nutrients Journal highlighted zinc's role in maintaining muscle mass as we age. Put simply, zinc helps your body hold on to the muscle you still have. They also contain about 332 milligrams of phosphorus, which supports strong, dense bones. Eat a handful before bed. That's it. Stay with me. The next food rarely shows up in nutrition articles, but it costs almost nothing, and the research behind it is strong. You wake up in the morning. Your legs feel stiff and sluggish, like they didn't rest at all. Getting out of bed takes real effort. That heaviness often means your muscles didn't get enough protein overnight to repair themselves. Cottage cheese can help change that. 1 cup provides approximately 28 grams of protein. That's more than most cuts of meat in a food that's soft, easy to eat, and gentle on your stomach. What makes it special is casein, a slow-digesting protein. Research in medicine and science in sports and exercise showed that casein before sleep can boost overnight muscle repair in older adults. That means your legs rebuild while you rest. Cottage cheese is also rich in leucine. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition identified leucine as the key signal that triggers muscle rebuilding. Your body needs that signal, especially after 60. It also delivers about 138 milligrams of calcium per half cup, plus phosphorus, B12, and selenium. A small bowl before bed? Done.
Before we go further, have you ever had a cramp so bad it woke you at 3 in the morning? Or felt your legs turn heavy after just a short walk? The next two foods target exactly those problems, and you'll feel the difference. If this is helping you, please tap the like button. It helps more seniors find this video. And subscribe to our channel for weekly tips on staying strong after 60. How are your legs feeling these days? Let us know in the comments. We truly love hearing from you.
You used to walk to the mailbox without thinking. Now, halfway there, your legs feel heavy, like they ran out of fuel. That drained feeling often comes from low iron. Your muscles aren't getting enough oxygen. Lentils are one of the richest plant sources of iron. One cooked cup provides about 6.6 milligrams. That's roughly 37% of what older adults need daily. When your iron is low, your legs are literally starved of oxygen. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked iron deficiency directly to reduced physical performance and increased frailty in older adults. In simple terms, more iron means legs that carry you farther. That same cup also delivers about 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber. Your muscles get steady fuel without blood sugar crashes. You also get about 71 milligrams of magnesium, 366 milligrams of potassium, and roughly 358 micrograms of folate, nearly 90% of daily value. Researchers in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirmed their anti-inflammatory benefits too. Toss red lentils into any soup. 15 minutes. Done.
And now we've reached number 1. This is the food that combines everything the other 4 do in a single ingredient. Most people walk right past it at the grocery store without realizing what they're leaving behind. You step off the curb and your ankle wobbles. Your knee buckles slightly. You catch yourself, but your heart races. That moment, that flash of fear, stays with you the rest of the day. When your legs feel that unstable, it's rarely just one thing. It's usually your muscles, your bones, and your joints all asking for help at the same time. Swiss chard answers all 3. Most foods on this list do one thing well. Swiss chard does all of them at once. One cooked cup provides approximately 961 milligrams of potassium. That's about 20% of your daily adequate intake. Your muscles need that to contract smoothly and without cramping. That same cup delivers about 150 milligrams of magnesium, covering 36 to 47% of daily needs. Together, these 2 minerals keep your legs both strong and loose. Swiss chard provides over 700% of the daily value of vitamin K. Research from the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research linked adequate vitamin K to improved bone density and fewer fractures in older adults. That means the very bones under your muscles get stronger too. It also contains bioactive compounds, syringic acid, camphorol, and betalains. Research in phytochemistry reviews confirmed their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. They protect muscle cells from daily wear. You also get about 3.95 milligrams of iron for oxygen transport and approximately 31 milligrams of vitamin C. Vitamin C builds collagen, the connective tissue that holds your tendons and joints together. No other single food on this list covers this much ground. Your legs have carried you through decades of life. Swiss chard helps make sure they keep going. Sauté stems first, then add the leaves with olive oil. That's it.
Now, a few questions we hear often. Do I need all 5 foods every day? No. Rotate them through the week. Consistency matters more than perfection. Even a few servings of each can make a real difference over time. When should I eat them? Morning is a great start, but lunch or dinner works just as well. Your body benefits whenever you give it the right fuel. Can I combine them? Absolutely. cottage cheese with pumpkin seeds, lentil soup with Swiss chard. The nutrients actually work better together. Nutrition experts call this food synergy. Do I still need exercise? Yes. Even light walks or chair stretches help these nutrients do their job faster. Food fuels your legs. Movement activates them.
Let's recap. Beet greens deliver potassium, magnesium, and iron to ease cramps. Pumpkin seeds relax tight muscles and support overnight repair. Cottage cheese feeds your muscles slowly while you sleep. Lentils fight fatigue with iron, protein, and steady energy. And Swiss chard does it all: minerals, bone support, and inflammation protection in every leaf. Start with one food this week. Add Swiss chard to dinner tonight. Grab a handful of pumpkin seeds tomorrow. Each small step builds toward stronger legs, better balance, and more independence. Which of these 5 will you try first? Tell us in the comments below.
This video is for educational purposes only and should not replace medical advice. Please consult your doctor before changing your diet, especially if you take medications or manage a chronic condition. Your safety always comes first. Use this as a guide, not a prescription. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving. Every step matters.